Hey you guys, it's your girl Jade here to speak a quick message for my people. The past year, I've been doing retreats and different events, but that's not nothing new because I've always been into health and holistics and the natural alternatives or finding natural ways of healing. Now, based on what I've studied through all these different modalities, crystals, yoga, meditation, Reiki, food, whatever you want to, all these different activities they are a medium for you to connect to something, right? My retreat page is called Reconnect to Self. Of course, my mindset was our people need to reconnect to themselves, right? So they can understand who they truly are, mind, body, and spirit. But it's way deeper than that. You're not connecting to yourself, but you're connecting to God, the Creator, the Most High. So I just want everybody to understand, like, all these different healing modalities. If you do yoga, if you have crystals, if you're a vegan or vegetarian, it means nothing without the Most High, without God. If you don't believe truly in Jesus, the Son of God, if you don't live in the way that He would, I'm saying treat others how you want to be treated. Just the basic instructions before leaving earth. The commandments: don't lie, don't cheat. And the book says that treat others how you want to be treated. It pretty much sums up all the other ones. So if you don't know the 10 commandments, then if you know that one golden rule, then you might be straight. But of course, you need to study and strengthen your mind with the word. God's word, not anybody else's word. Because whatever you open your heart to, whatever you accept into your heart, that's who you are. So if you're not accepting the Creator, God, the Most High, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Host of Hosts, then who are you accepting? So, bottom line, the Humble Reconnect is canceled. And for me, I don't celebrate Halloween. Halloween been canceled. But I wanted to leave you guys with that. Take it as you may, or don't take it. Either way, have a wonderful day.